Comparative adjectives are used to compare two things or show a change in quality. For adjectives with one syllable, we usually add the suffix -er to make the comparative form, such as old becoming older or clean becoming cleaner. When an adjective ends with the letter E, add only the letter R to form the comparative. For example, safe becomes safer and nice becomes nicer. These small changes make the word easier to say and write. If a one-syllable adjective ends with a vowel followed by a consonant, double the final consonant before adding -er. For instance, big changes to bigger, hot changes to hotter, and sad becomes sadder. This rule helps keep the correct pronunciation. When an adjective ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, change the Y to I and add -er. For example, happy becomes happier, angry becomes angrier, and busy changes to busier. This way, the comparative form follows the correct spelling pattern. For longer adjectives with two or more syllables, we usually add the word more before the adjective rather than adding -er at the end. Examples include more beautiful, more interesting, and more expensive. This rule helps keep the words clear and easy to understand. Some adjectives have special, irregular comparative forms that do not follow the usual rules. For instance, good becomes better, bad changes to worse, and far can be either farther or further. These forms need to be memorized as they are exceptions. Here are some practice examples with comparative adjectives. Tall becomes taller, thin changes to thinner, easy becomes easier, and heavy changes to heavier. These examples follow the spelling rules discussed earlier. To quickly review, big becomes bigger, happy changes to happier, hot changes to hotter, and good changes to better. Remember these patterns as you use comparative adjectives in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.